Welcome to AutoReview Pro, the channel where we explore the history, features, and performance of iconic vehicles. Today, we're taking a trip back to the 1970s to review the 1975 Simca 1308, a car that represented a blend of innovation, practicality, and European flair during its time. The Simca 1308, part of the Chrysler Europe lineup, was introduced as a family-oriented hatchback with a modern and versatile design. It was awarded the European Car of the Year in 1976, a testament to its groundbreaking features and popularity. The car was powered by a range of inline-4 engines, starting from a 1.3-liter engine and extending to a 1.5-liter option, depending on the variant. These engines provided a balance of performance and efficiency, making the Simca 1308 suitable for everyday driving needs. With front-wheel drive and a 4-speed manual transmission, it offered smooth handling and reliable performance for its era. The design of the Simca 1308 was ahead of its time, featuring clean lines, a sloping roofline, and a spacious hatchback layout. Its aerodynamic profile and well-proportioned dimensions set it apart from competitors. The practicality of the hatchback design, combined with a roomy interior, made it an ideal choice for families and individuals looking for versatility. The car's compact footprint allowed for easy maneuvering in urban environments, while the thoughtful design ensured maximum utility. Inside, the Simca 1308 provided a comfortable and functional cabin. The seats were well padded, offering good support for long drives. The dashboard layout was simple yet effective, with easy-to-read gauges and conveniently placed controls. Higher trims featured additional amenities such as fabric upholstery, an AM/FM radio, and optional air conditioning, which were considered luxuries in the mid-1970s. The large rear hatch and foldable rear seats allowed for impressive cargo space, making the car a practical choice for shopping trips and weekend getaways. Safety was a focus for the Simca 1308, with features like crumple zones, reinforced doors, and seat belts as standard. These elements provided a decent level of protection for its time, reflecting the growing emphasis on vehicle safety during the 1970s. The Simca 1308 also gained attention for its smooth ride quality, thanks to its well-tuned suspension system. It absorbed bumps effectively, offering a comfortable driving experience on various road surfaces. Its combination of comfort, practicality, and innovation helped it carve a niche in the competitive European car market of the time. The 1975 Simca 1308 remains a symbol of thoughtful design and engineering. It catered to the needs of a growing demographic of drivers who wanted a stylish yet practical vehicle. Its impact on the automotive world, particularly in Europe, ensures its place in the history of iconic family cars. Thank you for watching this review on AutoReview Pro. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insights, reviews, and stories about classic and modern vehicles. Stay tuned, and we'll see you in the next video.